So initially Sunday, in an effort just to get some groceries, pulled into one of the local supermarkets here and saw ICE with a person that they were questioning, detaining. In an effort to get out of traffic, I kind of slow rolled past there and just happened to see another woman drive by an aisle over. I think it was three ICE agents immediately beelined for her. And getting out of the way, I got closer and I could hear the conversation. And it did not start off with them asking for identification. It started off with, "Get the hell out of the car." The woman was obviously scared, and apparently had unlocked her door, because the next thing I know, she was getting torn from her car. Almost immediately she started yelling, "I'm a citizen, I'm a citizen." That didn't seem to matter at all. They turned her around, immediately cuffed her, whatever reason. The worst part about it was, as I went by, I could see a small child in the backseat, in a car seat, that began to get pretty loud, maybe in a response to his mom getting a little loud. And all she was trying to express was that she was in fact a citizen. I was, nearby my job site, a little bit down the street. Well, we live in Maine, right? The idea is we're all neighbors and in it together, and excuse me, there's a ever-growing part of our locals are immigrants. They make up a lot of the business here, but they're also brothers and sisters, union brothers and sisters. We work side by side with these folks, and we've come to know them and love them, and all of a sudden, that they're in fear of coming to work. That should have an effect on all of us.